In this video, I'll show you how to add a bank account in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, under the Business section, click Bank Accounts and Scheduling. This is where you can manage the bank accounts connected to your Stripe account for payouts. Once you're on the Bank Accounts and Scheduling page, click Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account details, including the account holder's name, routing number if required, and your bank account number. Make sure all the information is accurate before continuing. After that, review the details you've entered and click Save or Add Bank Account to connect the account to Stripe. In some countries, Stripe may ask you to verify your bank account before you can receive payouts. If verification is required, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now, if you have multiple bank accounts, you can choose which one you want to use for your payouts. You can also review your payout schedule on the same page and update it if the option is available for your account. Before you finish, double-check that your bank account has been added successfully and is marked as the default payout account if that's the account you want Stripe to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a bank account in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more